Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Well, it's another day. It's 7:30 early in the morning. Today we're gonna unbox something really special. Alright, wait for a minute. Yes. Wait a moment. Here we go. Today we're gonna unbox something really special. It's not yet out. I didn't see any pre-sale yet, but I got it already. I want to say thanks to TPOB Play Mini. Yeah. So stay tuned, man. Alright. Okay, this is a very special box, and I don't think when it's out, I mean the Play Mini, I don't think it will be the same box like this one. This is how I got it. Looks nice. Nothing, no specs. Yeah, let's open it, man, and see how it looks like. If it's, what's new. I guess it's the same hair clipper, the same motor. I'm not that sure. I'm gonna ask TPOB about that. Maybe it's the same motor. I don't know, but it's the same blade. And there are some things different from the older version, which is good. So now let's open it and see what we got inside. So inside, yeah. Wait a moment, I can drink. Oh, inside it comes like this. So it's something special. Charging cable. Okay. No guards or something like that. And that's it. Okay. And it's very small, as you can see. Yes. The blade, Exo Play blade, still, and the cutter blade still the same, I guess so. Still the same. So, as you can see, this is the blade. So the cutter blade should be the same as well. Okay, but it's smaller. Alright. What's different? The lever. Much more better lever. See that? The lever is different. So, one, two, three, four, five. 5 clicks still. And the button still the same. Play. Okay, everything's still the same. Just lever, and it's shorter. Okay. The indicator still the same. The ergonomic feels still just a little bit shorter. And the big difference also, this time we got a USB-C. Yes. This is it. So now let's make a sound check. Second speed. Now let's compare it with older, older trimmer from TPOB. Compare it with Keeper. Once again, this is it. I made a change on this TPOB play, the blade. You know, I know how the original blade cut with this TPOB play, and I also changed the cutter blade. I don't know if maybe you can see it good. Yeah. So I put the cutter blade that comes with the go on this one, and also the steel blade on this one, as you can see. What I did, I took this blade out of this go, and also with the cam follower. So I put everything here, the blade and the cam follower, it fits perfectly, and it's really quiet. The lever, it's awesome. It's really good. And this one, so I put the play, exo blade. This one is quite powerful.